What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna throw on harness bar and some harnesses. Fuck, I just touched my lens. The seatbelt doesn't click into the seatbelt that came with the car. So yeah, I'm gonna see about that. I don't know. I'm gonna try and source another one for future reference because I really don't want to have like a bar here because it like stays back here, and just in case I want to have people. And then for the passenger side, I do want to get like a 32 GTR seat so it can like recline. But yeah, so I have old NRG harness bar that I had in my 350Z, and it should fit. We're gonna make it fit, which is really easy. I mean, it's just 2 bolts, and then these stands right here that support it are gonna go down here where the seatbelt bolts into, so it should be pretty easy. Okay, so bolts are 14 mil, so we're gonna go ahead and loosen those up. Just easy. So this is the factory bolt, the OEM one, and the harness bar did come with these that are in my pocket. These longer bolts, which we're gonna toss in just so like it has room for the harness bar and stuff. So yeah, if you're ever gonna put a harness bar that you bought used or something, make sure you have some longer bolts. Yep. So the harness is on, really easy, as you can see over there and over here. The bolts are tight, but it's still kind of wobbly a little, so it's not the best. It's kind of sketchy still. I just hit my head. So yeah, the best thing to do now, put that panel back in place. Best thing to do now is put these as reinforcement. But I tried using the OEM bolt and it was too small actually. So I need to go buy a spacer for it and a longer bolt. Because when I go to put on the bolt through here, it looks like there's plenty of thread, right? But like the way it's like angled and everything, it just doesn't work for the thing. So it's like it goes in there. Okay, so I found the hole and it just tilted. So I don't know if you can see it. Nope, you cannot see it because my hand's in the way, but there's a bit of room, and then it just doesn't work, just believe me. And so that would go there. As you can see, like when we have it all the way, when we have this all the way to the chassis, it angles like that, which is really off. So if I buy a spacer for the bolt, it should line up, and we can just tilt it and then it'll line up. Yeah, just like that. So yeah, I need to buy a spacer so the reinforcement can be a little out, but I also need a longer bolt. So yep. So I guess we'll toss in the harness for now. Let's see if I still remember how to do this. Okay, so I'm mounting this piece of the harness to the side piece right here. This is where the seatbelt would have gone to the rails. This should be fine because this is bolted to the chassis, so there's no movement. Yeah, this would have been easier if I did put this on before I put the seat in. I could technically still do that, but honestly, I'm just gonna, it's not a problem. And then this is how I wrap them. So it's kind of hard to see, but I went in, over, came out, wrap it, came through here, and then wrapped it again through here. And then yeah, that's it. Just gotta fully tight it and you're Gucci. So something that people always forget, and is you make sure to test it before you fully tighten it, you know? Like once you're here, you know, just make sure, because I like to have the takata showing like that. So I don't like to just adjust from here, because I also don't like these super long. So like here, this is an okay place right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and fully tighten now. So one side's done, let's do the other one. And just like that, they're on. So yep, plenty of room for my skinny ass. And got them all wrapped up. I just did this for no reason. Yeah, they're wrapped up. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and buy some bolts and spacers so I can reinforce it right here, because I don't really like it just like that. It's not that safe. But yeah, that's it. Like,